If you're locked out of your Samsung phone and searching for a solution, you've probably heard about the Odin Flash tool, but here's what you need to know before you start. The process of using Odin to remove a screen lock involves flashing a specific combination file to your device, and to begin, you'll need to download the correct firmware. Then, enter download mode on your phone by powering it off, then holding the volume down, Bixby, and power buttons together, depending on your specific model. Once connected to your computer, you load the file into Odin and start the flash process. And after a reboot, this method can successfully remove your screen lock, which sounds like exactly what you need. However, it's crucial to know that while Odin can bypass the screen lock in some cases, it often cannot fully remove the Google FRP lock, leaving you still blocked by Google verification after the device restarts. So what do you do when Odin fails or feels too risky? That's where a dedicated tool like MagFone Android Unlocker comes into play. You simply choose your Android version, click Start, and the tool leads you back to the welcome page where you tap Emergency Call and enter the code #0# to instantly launch the hidden diagnostic menu that begins the FRP bypass workflow. Turning what would be a complicated technical procedure into a guided, step-by-step flow that even beginners can follow. The Remove Screen Lock function can remove the screen lock. It's easier to use than Odin. With your phone turned off, connect it to the computer using a USB cable. To allow the software to work, you'll need to boot your Samsung into recovery mode. You can do this by holding down the power and volume down buttons together until the screen goes black. Then, immediately switch to holding the power and volume up buttons until the Samsung logo appears. Let go, and you'll enter the recovery menu. Here, use the volume keys to navigate to Wipe Data/Factory Reset and confirm with the power button. Select Yes to confirm the wipe, and once it's done, go back and choose Reboot System Now. The software will guide you through the rest, and after the reboot, the lock screen will be completely gone.